In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check what devices are logged into your Outlook account. Keeping an eye on where your account is being used is one of the simplest ways to protect it. We'll walk through the exact places in your Microsoft account where you can see connected devices and recent sign-ins, so you know what's yours and what isn't. Start by opening your browser and going to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Outlook email and password to reach your account dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Devices section. This page gives you a clear list of devices associated with your Microsoft account. You'll typically see the device name, the type like a Windows PC, phone, or tablet, and the last activity. That last activity line helps you understand when that particular device last interacted with your account or Microsoft services. A quick tip here: device names can look technical, especially on Windows, where they might include a random-looking computer name. Phones often show the model, and game consoles or other Microsoft hardware can appear too. Not every browser session will show in devices. This area focuses on hardware that's been registered or signed into Microsoft services, so use it as a snapshot of trusted, known devices. Next, you'll want to review sign-ins. From the same dashboard, go to the Security area. Under Account Settings, select View My Sign-in Activity. This is where you'll see a detailed timeline of recent logins for the last 30 days. Each entry includes the device or platform used, an approximate location, the IP address, and a timestamp. This page is helpful because it captures activity beyond just registered devices. For example, signing in from a new browser or a different computer will show up here even if it's not listed under devices. Keep in mind that location is an estimate based on the network, and things like VPNs, corporate networks, or mobile data can make the location look different from where you physically are. Time zones can also affect how timestamps appear, so be sure you're reading them in your local time. Use these two views together. The Devices section helps you recognize the hardware that has a relationship with your account, while Sign-in Activity shows what has actually accessed it recently. If an entry in Sign-in Activity doesn't line up with your devices or your travel and work patterns, take a moment to review the details shown on the page so you can understand what triggered it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.